Ron Gadgetman, and today we just finished working on a 2003 Hyundai Excel, 133,000 miles, a 1.6 liter engine. And this is the car, and I'm going to let the owner introduce herself and tell you about her experience with the groove. So who are you?
Hi, my name's Tawny.
Tawny what?
Tawny Orton.
Tawny Orton. All right, Tawny, and tell me what happened today.
Well, Ron put the groove in our car, and it definitely has groove. I took it out for a spin on the freeway, and I couldn't believe the power I had. From coming to Ron's house versus after he put the groove in. It was awesome. It's like a little race car now.
So what, you're into power?
I love power.
You guys heard that laugh, right? All right. So would you say that your car is running better now than it did before?
Oh, definitely.
All right. So would you recommend this to other Hyundai Excel owners?
Oh, yeah. If you have a Hyundai Excel, sometimes they kind of tend to drag a little bit, but since the groove's been put in, it takes off.
Anything else you want to tell everybody out there in Gadgetman land?
Get your groove on.
Oh, I like it. I like it. People are catching on real quick. All right, so everybody, once again, a small groove can make a big difference. So God bless y'all richly and warmly. Go to GadgetmanGroove.com. Click on Get Grooved. It's a real simple process. You remember, smile for a stranger today because, yeah, you'll both be happier. Bye-bye now.